Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Instant Learner. A video has been doing rounds on social media platforms recently, in which a YouTuber can be seen interviewing a farmer who claims that he has successfully grown eggs on plant. In this video I will do a complete analysis of that video and will tell you is that it's possible to grow eggs on plant or not. So before moving forward, it is request to you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you will get updated with latest technology videos. So let's start. In this video, the presenter says that egg grown in this way offer a cheaper substitute for regular egg without compromising on taste and nutrients. Adding that these eggs are highly in demand and traders from all over the country have already booked these eggs 6 months in advance. The farmer reveals that he has imported special seeds from China and grow at least 4,000 eggs every day. He adds that each egg incurs a cost of 2 rupees and he sells them to the traders for Rs 7 rupees each. Towards the end of the video, the farmer also breaks 2 eggs in order to demonstrate that the eggs grown on the plants are indeed real. This video, however, has turned out to be the fake, and special plants shown in this video are really white brinjal, whereas 2 eggs broken in this video were real eggs that have been attached to the plant branches. Scientifically known as eggplant, brinjal grows in different shapes, size and color. In the early days of growth, the white eggplant appears similar to an egg shape and size. The YouTuber and farmer use this fact to their advantage to deceive the con people by making a video that claims that egg can be now grown on plant, which is unnatural. I have also contacted to a top agriculture scientist to verify the authenticity of that claim of farmer. The agri-scientist categorically rejected that claim that made in this video and said that there are no farming techniques or seeds that could help to grow eggs on crop. So that's it guys, thanks for watching this video with tons of love to my Instant Learner family and to be Instant Learner family. This is me Engineer Bilal, you are watching Instant Learner. We'll see you in next video. Goodbye.